How to manage your air transat booking. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll teach you how you can manage your air transat booking, and this is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your air transat website, just like I've done here. And then once you're on this website, you can see some options such as book, detail, deals, destinations, travel information, contact us. By the time you scroll down, you'll see a mini page showcasing options like flights, baggage, car, more, flight status, online check-in, manage my booking. So in order for you to manage your booking, click on the manage my booking page. After clicking on the page, you'll be taken to the manage my booking page where you would have to log in order for you to access your flight details. So under the manage my booking page, you can see the different options are available. Option plus, additional baggage, travel, payment, seat selection, bistro, pre-order, modification, and or cancellation. So just scroll down, enter in your first name, last name as it appears on the flight that you booked, enter in the confirmation number, the departure date, then click on continue. And then once you've done that, you'll be taken to the flight page. Then once you're on the flight page, you can modify your booking. You can make changes such as seat selections. You can add extra baggage. You can upgrade to option plus. You can pre-order meals from bistro. Okay, all of this, and you can also modify your flight by canceling or changing your flight. And you can do all of this on your manage booking page. So this is how you can manage your enterprise booking. Just head over to manage my booking, enter in your details in the box in the fields provided, click on continue, and you are good to go. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.